The Samajwadi Party's clean chit to Pakistan in Pahalgam. Neta from the Samajwadi Party says Pahalgam is a political attack. Neta claims Pahalgam was done by our netas. Pulwama also could be staged by India. Direct proof of Pakistan link, but Samajwadi Party here is deflecting. Listen in.
ये जो है ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें कर रहे हैं जो है जैसे उनको डराने धमकाने की है केवल पाकिस्तान को डराने धमकाने की इधर उधर की बात करके जो है और उस मामले को जो है हो सकता है कि मैं कहना नहीं चाहता आपके सामने जो है पुलवामा की जो घटना हुई वह किसने किया, आतंकवादियों ने किया कि हमारे ही लोगों ने कराया, उस पर जो है आज तक क्लियर नहीं हुआ। देश में जो है ये अभी पता नहीं पॉलिटिकल ढंग से कराया गया है या किया गया है, ये अभी क्लियर नहीं हुआ।
A statement there from the Samajwadi Party leader, giving a clean chit to Pakistan at a time when the world is raising its fingers and talking about a Pakistan link here. India is doing what it can, the government, to build pressure on Pakistan after the Pahalgam attack that took place 2 weeks ago. But back home in the country, a section of the opposition, Samarth, is hell-bent on embarrassing not just the country but themselves by making these statements, isn't it? Weakening our case here.
Exactly. Akhilesh Yadav has also posted on X and condemned the treatment of Himanshi Narwal, wife of Vinay Narwal, a soldier who was killed in the Pahalgam attack. He wrote that the BJP's mask will be torn off by women themselves. Historically, the BJP and affiliates have operated covertly, engaging in nefarious activities that undermine national interest, morality and social values. He further writes that they have consistently opposed empowering the people and upholding constitutional rights. Their patriarchal mindset views women as inferior, seeking to humiliate and silence them. He says that the way Himanshi has been treated for appealing to peace and harmony in the national interest is condemnable. Women who speak out against the BJP are threatened, intimidated and harassed. He says that this behavior is unacceptable and reflects the party's anti-women stance. He takes on BJP again and says that it's time to stand with those who have lost loved ones, support women, to encourage and expose the BJP's anti-women ideology. He says every girl and woman in the country will bring the BJP's anti-women face to light. We appeal to the Women's Commission to take concrete action, not just pay lip service. The nation demands justice and accountability. So that's why Akhilesh Yadav is taking on the BJP after this particular event and tweeting all of these things on it. Back to you.
All right, I'm going to thank you for the moment. Getting in those details, the Samarth telling us about that statement that has been made by Neta of the Samajwadi Party.